Hello and welcome back, dear subscriber. Today in this video, I am going to talk about the job opportunity for 2020 and 2021 pass out fresher. So this is going to be a good opportunity for 2020 and 2021 pass out. So if you want to get such job opportunity notification and all the detail how to apply, what are the eligibility criteria, then please do subscribe our channel Fresher Jobs Update with DCG. And regularly we will provide some opportunity and notify you so you can get better package and better job in the future in your interested domain. So please do subscribe the channel and also click on bell icon so you will get each and every job notification on time and you can apply and secure your job in better company. Okay, so let me first discuss about this job description as well as the criteria for this, and then after, like how you can apply for this job. I will provide this job link in video description. You can go and click and proceed accordingly. Okay, dear. So you can see this is event elite of campus for passing year 20 and 21 batch. Okay. So here those details are given. This is Elite National Hunt Program of 20 and 21. And this is, I think, the second phase of this WIPRO. And eligibility criteria means throughout 60% and above you should be, or if there is CGPA, then 6 CGPA you should get at least. So that is eligibility criteria. Passing year 2021 qualification BE, BTech or 5 year integrated, like some are getting BTech and MTech like integrated, so that is also applicable here. And branch from CSE, IT and circuit branch. So like those EC people can also come here. Like code branch will people also come here. Designation is project engineer and compensation is 3.5 lakh per annum you will get. Okay, and service agreement will be 12 month post joining. So from joining it will be like 12 months. And criteria like maximum 3 year gap in your education after like from 10 to graduation. If there is more than 3 years, you will not be eligible. And your degree should be like full-time degree and recognized by central or state government of India. Okay, it can be from other government also, like if you are from other country, Bhutan, Nepal, something like that. So from that, like renowned school should be that. No part-time or correspondent or distance learning education, either 10th or 12th degree will be valid. So all should be full-time only. No backlog or standing it is allowed. So like no backlog should be there or any standing, like if you have any backlog, you will not be allowed. Okay. Candidate who have participated in any selection process held in Wipro in last 6 months are not eligible. So if you have participated in any Wipro repeated drive in last 6 months, you are not eligible for this program. So if you are like, if you have another email ID, you can apply from that. That is trick. You can apply and you can get. Should be Indian citizen or should hold PIO or OCI card in this event of holding passport of any other country. Like if you have a passport of any other country, you must have PIO or OCI card. And for Nepal and Bhutan, there is a special provision. Nepal and Bhutan nationals need to submit their citizenship certificate. So you can just submit your Nagrita, that is citizenship, and you can proceed. Selection process, so that is 1 hour 28 minute exam will be held, and that is three section will be. First is aptitude section. There is logical ability, quantum ability, and English ability will be there. That is 48 minutes. And like written communication test, that is essay writing, so that is 20 minutes. And then by followed by there is 60 minute two programming coding will be there, so two question will be there, and that is also like not very tough. I am also going to provide like tutorial on this coding programming questions of that Wipro exam. So those code will be, those all tutorial will be available on coding with DCG channel. I will provide those link in video description. You can go and learn those coding. Last year coding and this year like programming question was exactly same. So if you watch those videos, definitely you can crack that programming. Okay, candidate can choose any one of the programming language like Java, C, C++, or Python. Any language you can use. Either of the language you can use while solving for this coding. And it is entirely responsibility of Wipro permit limit participant of each candidate in like Elite Hunt 2020 and 2021 process. So Wipro will decide all those limit pass criteria and those all based on the like number of recruits they have, number of seat availability they have. After passing online test, candidates will have to go through technical interview and HR interview. Okay, dear. So technical and HR will be conducted once you pass this test. Okay. Other thing is not that much important. If you want to go, please go by your own. And if you have any doubt, please do ask me in the comment section. I will definitely reply you out. Now I am going for apply it. Okay, so I will give this email ID. And this all detail you can check it out once. Okay, I will go next. Okay, here I have to fill all those details, so I will give details. So they are asking like CV or additional document. I am going to attach CV. Okay, so this window is not actually visible to you. I make like that only. Okay, so CV I have attached. Okay, dear. And like login credentials, so you have like your mail ID, you will get your passport you can give. So in passport, you have to follow some standard. So in your passport, you should give one small letter, one capital letter, one number, and one special symbol like at the rate, star, hash, dollar, like that. And now you can fill your name. I am filling. Okay. So I am giving that. Okay, mail ID I will change. Okay, Deep Kodak Guru. Okay, like that you can also proceed there. And if you have any confusion, then please do ask in the comment section. And please do subscribe the channel so you will get all those notifications. Okay, it will definitely help you out. Okay, I am giving some random number. Okay, so you do that, and I am filling this form like for educational purpose, no for any other reason. Okay. So permanent and temporary address you have to provide. So home I will provide and address. Okay, I will give this address. Nepal address I will give. No problem. Okay. Baudhi, my municipality. So like that you can fill here. Okay, city. Aruba. Okay, the country I will give Nepal. But basically, I am from Nepal itself, so this detail I am filling a little bit. Okay, so see it is showing or not. Okay. So like development region in Nepal, so that it is showing like that problem. Okay, no problem. Okay. So I will Janakpur. Okay, Janakpur Kshetra. Postal code done. Date of birth I am going to give one random number. Okay. I am just doing this for the sake of make you know that this is like the process you can fill. Okay, identity type. Okay, India means something like I will give. Okay, PAN number. Okay, and PAN number. Okay, so I have to give PAN number. So which PAN number I can give? Okay, let me check it out and give some number. Okay, so KYJP something I can give. Okay, I have some number KYJP and like PAN number or Aadhaar card number is required. So if you don't know if you are from Bhutan or Nepal or other country and if you not from India and if you don't know how to get those PAN card and all those, then please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely provide some video and make you aware about all those process so you can take advantage of this and get job. Okay. Okay, and like, okay, 10th school name, something I am going to give. Okay, okay, this I can give. Okay, no problem. Okay, you can give accordingly, but you don't give any random like me. Okay, you give your correct information. I will give some 15. Okay. And okay, for this I can give something what it will be better to give. Okay, you give accordingly. Okay, dear, I am not giving exact information because this is like going to be public to all, so it is not good to give all those information exactly. So the reason I am not providing, I am providing just something. Okay, and like a state, they are asking which state. So like this, I am just considering this is from Nepal. So other nationality I can give. Okay, and like okay, so percentage I will give something 27.88. So you give accordingly for yours. Okay, dear. Okay, Uniglobe, places or college. Uh, Ladi. Okay, Kathmandu, Nepal. And like passing year, I will give something 17. Okay, then class 12 registration number, something they are asking. So like that you can check your case and give accordingly. I am just giving like one number, random number. Okay, for you don't give random number. Okay, dear. So please check it out accordingly and give the correct number only. Okay, so here what I can give something I have to. Okay, so okay, so I will give something 7327. I have noted one number 7327 7327. Okay, and then after 51048 51048. You recheck your number if you are giving any number. Okay, and here also I am going to give other nationality. Okay, and like percentage of CGPA, I will give something 61.70. Okay, and time zone means you have to go, okay, plus 5:30. I think India time zone is okay. So we'll check that, no problem. We'll Asia, okay, 5 something 5:30 is there. Indian's time is there. Okay, we'll check that, no problem. Or Kolkata, we'll check what it is giving. Okay, Kolkata, Kolkata. It is coming something. Okay, Asia India Standard Time. Okay, this is done, and you can click on submit. So like that you can fill here. And okay, invalid data. Please check your information. Upload photo required white background. Okay, so where it is? Okay, photo you have to also update. Okay, so I will also upload one photo. So kindly do check accordingly. Okay, I am filling each and every field so you can get more clarity about it. No more confusion you would have. Like that I am thinking. So in that way I am doing. Okay. So please do subscribe the channel if you have not yet subscribed. It is definitely going to help you out and you will get all those updates time to time. Okay, and you can secure better job like like one of the big MNC as I am regularly providing all those information. Okay, plantarily. Okay, so races. Okay, I can give something. So Asia, I can give. Okay, gender. Okay, and nationality. Okay, so nationality, I will Nepalese. I will give. Okay, so let me check where it is. Nepalese. Okay, submit again. Okay, then do we have any active backlog? No, no backlog at all. Okay, do we have more than 3 years? No, go accordingly there. Then it will like see graduation and all those details you have to fill. Okay, so graduation, okay, undergraduate engineering, and that is from NIT, IIT, or triple IT. That way you can also fill. Okay, so your university registration number, I am giving one random number, why not one? Okay, let me give, okay, make it capital so it will look nice only. Okay, then state, okay, I will select one state, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, then district, I will select one Srikakulam. Go accordingly there, you feel, okay, and this is, I am going to fill something, Aditya Institute, I will give. Okay, Aditya Institute of Technology and Management, and courses is BTech branch. So branch I will give CSE, Computer Science and Engineering. So this is computer engineering. Okay, is there any computer science and engineering? Let me check. Okay, no, no, no. Computer engineering is there. Chemical, civil, okay. Electronics, okay, okay. Just keep checking. Computer science and engineering is there provided. So select accordingly only there. And passing out. So this is for just 20 and 21, right? So I am going to 21. Give accurate data there. And CGPA and CGPA I am going to give 8.09. Okay. And like, okay, they are asking graduation, PG. If you have done PG, then provide information. If you don't have, then just ignore it and submit it. I again repeat, dear, please subscribe our channel and also click on bell icon. Already we have applied for this, successfully applied, and this is done. And I think we will also get some email on successfully applied. Let me check on the mobile phone, and then I will confirm you that we have got or not. Okay, so I have got that mail. I think so. Let me check it out. Okay, so if I have got, then I will let you know. Yes, I have got one email ID, and that mail is showing, okay, I have successfully applied. So you will get one email notification. Okay, dear. So that email notification you will get, it means it is done and you have done with all those process. And if you have not done, then your successfully registration has not been completed. So this is all about this Wipro Drive, and please do apply. This is one of the big company, and I hope definitely you will crack this examination. All the best. And I again repeat, I am providing all this programming code, like already whatever the test they have conducted, from that I have some programming. So that solution and tutorial I am providing on coding with DCG website channel. So I will again mention that link in video description. Kindly go and check. And shortly, like within 2 days, I am providing those videos, so you can go and learn and take advantage and crack this exam. Once again, thanks a lot for watching this video. Please do share this video, like the video, as well as post your valuable comment in comment section. If you are also waiting for some company notification, please let me know in the company name. I will definitely provide video on that once they will announce an exam. Okay, dear, please stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned with Fresher Jobs update with DCG. Happy learning.